What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the fog lights on the car. I sanded down the fog lights and made them look brand new again. There's no scratch marks or anything of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start lifting up the car, put some jack stands on, and start taking off some. There's this panel underneath this bumper right here that we have to take off to be able to take this fog light panel right here completely off, and so we can go ahead and put the new one on, and then put the fog lights on, and then start wiring the harness up and everything. Like I said, this one is a Morimoto fog light. This one, the guy that I bought it from, he told me that he got this one from Distant Extreme, from that company. I'll make sure to link everything up on the description below. Okay guys, when being underneath, this is what you're gonna have to remove, this panel right here underneath the car. So there's 2 of these. There's 12 of these bolts right here. So for the bolts that are underneath the car, you're gonna need a size 10 socket. Underneath the car, whenever you remove that panel, it's good that Toyota included the fog light hole already on the bumpers. So to be able to remove this that panel from outside, I told you guys, you see this little tab right here, just push it up, and then out, just like that. As you guys can see, the tab is not showing no more. Should be one here, one here, one right here on the side, one on top. There should be 2 hiding on top. What a pain in the ass was to remove this one on top. This foam right here, this bumper foam, is in the way. I'm trying to try to take this one off because it's on the top, and I couldn't get my finger in there to like press it down and be able to take it off. So what I try to do is with this pick tool that I have here, I try to, like, without seeing, hope that I can get it from the top, and then just stick it in from the top right here and just press it down and push it out. And as you guys seen, it was able to come off. I didn't want to take the whole bumper off because it's just a lot more things for it to come off. All these 5 were good to like get to, but the one on top, the last one, was just hard to get into it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the passenger side, which is this long one. What I'm gonna try to do is route this wire from right here on the edge of this trim right here all the way to right here. And this is the air intake. Put it from right here on top, and then go around here, right here in between, and then send it to the fog light. See if it reaches from that way. wire right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna open it up from here and try to connect it. Wow, it's a really hot day today. I don't know if you guys can see that. My watch, if it focuses, it's 97 right now. 97 degrees. It's really hot. It feels like 120 right now, honestly. But anyways, got it all wired up. This is where I passed it through. The wire should be fine because it has that wire loom. It has this wire loom, so it'll be fine. I did say I was gonna pass it through here, but I was wrong once again. It had to go all the way to the edge of the car. So this is where I passed it through, right here, and it goes underneath, and it goes all the way to the fog light. It did reach. It's enough room for it to reach. So let's go ahead. This one to the positive, and the black one. I was seeing that this black one, it's not gonna reach all the way. Honestly, the wire's too short to reach to the negative, which is all the way over there. I'm gonna try to see if I can just connect this to like a bolt that's, you know, that's grounded to the car, and see if that works. There you go. I'm gonna get some zip ties and then just zip tie this to this piece of wire right here. I'm gonna try to bolt it up right here where the engine controls at. Remove this bolt right here, connect it there, and see if the fog lights work. It should work as long as you ground it anywhere. It should be good. Alright guys, so everything should be connected now. The wiring was all good. We ran the wire to the fog light on the passenger, the one on the driver's side. We installed everything. This is where I put my negative, positive. So now it's just checking if the fog lights work now. Oh yeah, they work. Awesome. Wow. They actually work. You should look at that. A close up. Fog lights finally work after waiting a month and a half for that wire to come in. You can't tell the difference because it's daytime right now. It's barely 4:30. These turn automatically on with the headlight. It doesn't have a button. I know some of the fog lights have a button that you can install yourself, but I just wanted it to where it would automatically turn on by itself with the headlights. That's pretty much how you install fog light. I went the easier route. I'm not putting the button in, so if that's what you're doing, it might be the same steps, but the only other step that you would have to do is just run the wire. There's other videos of that. It's pretty much all done, so that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. I'll really appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so whenever I post a video, you guys will get notified. So peace.